just got out the shower and I'm sort of damp, but damp still, but I'm so excited about this upcoming demo. I discovered my husband and I went to storage and I was looking for my favorite blue shoes. When you move, you lose things. Things go into storage, they go in the attic, they go other places that you don't know where they are, and they're gone anymore. So I got on this kick about finding my blue shoes, and I found them. But I also found this. What is this, you say? This is a box. Yeah, it's a box. And my husband said, "What's in this box?" And I said, I don't know. And it's got my name and my address on it, the state that I used to live in. And I said, well, I don't know, so let me look.
Could this have a picture?
The box reads, buywigandhair.com. So I was intrigued. I said, what's in the box? It took me a minute. I thought it was a spider at first. And then I discovered that it's a wig. It was a wig, it is a wig. It's a wig. Buywigandhair.com. I know that this sort of thing is really in and really popular, and I believe in protective styles. I must have tried it on at one time, or maybe one of my daughters did, because the lace is cut, but and it's got edges. And I have a feeling it might have been my little daughter. I'm gonna try it on. And I'm gonna let you guys watch me and let's see how this turns out. If it works out really well, it can be a protective style. Also in the box was this. I don't know if you guys can see that. That? Okay, we're gonna see how it works. See? The board is, before you put on a wig, you're supposed to put on your wig cap, your handy dandy wig cap. I used to call it a stocking cap, but I think the terms are interchangeable. And then that protects your hair, and I'm all about protecting. I've got that on right. I don't have a wig grip. I haven't needed one because I don't wear wigs. But as I'm learning and growing, I'm trying to figure out new protective styles other than my handy dandy ponytail that I always do when I don't want to put heat on my hair. I wash it, let it dry naturally, and just slick it back into a ponytail. But things like this I think will be fun. So I'm trying new things and I'm taking you on the journey with me. Okay, well here is try number one. I'm gonna try to do what they taught me. And I hope this is the right stuff. If it's not, I'll tell you in the description. Now I'm putting it lightly, because I'm gonna take this right off. Oh, I'm gonna take this right off. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my word. Oh, you guys, if you guys have worn wigs before, you probably think I am straight tripping. If you've never worn one like this, because I've never worn a lace front, I will tell you the truth. On vacation, I do my vacation hair, my half wig, to keep the rest of my hair protected. I haven't been on vacation in such a long time. My husband and I usually go somewhere every year, and because of COVID, we've kind of halted the travel, but we've traveled to 17 different countries so far, and I hope to make it 18 soon. And when I go, because the trips sometimes are very far away, 16, 18 hours, honey, I do my vacation hair. Sometimes the slick back ponytail is good enough, but then sometimes you gotta throw that half wig on and brush some edges down. But when I say I've never worn wigs, I've never worn lace fronts. And even my vacation hair is often just for vacations alone. I kind of reserve them for vacations because it's fun and different. Something new and spicy. My girls that I watch always show you the inside of the cap, so let me do that first. There are no combs that I can see. No combs. There is an attached strap. I often hear adjustable straps, so I think these are the adjustable straps. There's an attached band right here. The lace is only a frontal that I can, the rest is net. So I think that's worth showing you. And also the braid construction is really nice. I mean, at a glance, it looks like real braids. I'll have to put the color in the description box. This is kind of my natural hair color here. So I guess when I ordered it, I must have ordered this color so that it looked like my hair. And they're all individual. They're all individual braids. They are not stitched together or sewn together. So they're all individual, braided with a little loose end there, if you can see that. So here we go. I hope I didn't let the got to be sit too long. I probably did. Ooh, guys.
Nice.
Not bad, I think. You guys tell me if it's bad. I don't really know. Those are the edges there. I got them tucked under the wig, y'all. Oh gosh. Now I will say this, what I've also learned from the YouTubers that I've watched is that sometimes they don't use these edges at all, and sometimes they do. So I'm gonna get some, I don't even know if the got to be, maybe I need to put the got to be back on again. I don't even know. But let me give you a close-up of the wig and the edge right here. Look what that is. So that's that, and I don't know if it needs to be tacked down necessarily anyway, because I think the got to be done got dry, y'all. It done got dry. Here's my handy dandy hair tie. Y'all know I watched a lot of Blue's Clues. Y'all can tell, because I'm quoting Steve and handy dandy. So let me pull that back with the hair tie. Okay, y'all, that's kind of cute. Next vacation, I might have to wear it. I kind of like the way the edges look kind of naturally, but let me just show you real up close. That's that. At first glance, you probably wouldn't be able to tell that it was a wig, but no, I think I ordered this about 1.5 years ago. Like I said, I guess that's where the got to be is helpful. Right there, right? Right here. Y'all tell me. Because if this works, I'll get me some more. I don't know where I got this. Like I said, I have to, oops. I don't think you're supposed to spray the, I don't think, ooh, y'all, I'm spraying the braid. I don't think you're supposed to spray the braid. Okay. Okay, maybe like that. Is that right? Now, let's see about the back. I'll let this back down so we can see the back, because the back might give it away. Like, oh, you got on a wig, girl. You would have to have it down. It could not be an updo. I didn't see it, but I felt it. I don't think it could be an updo. I think you can do this number here. And maybe this number here. And do that. Like that. Right? And that's giving good vibes. That's giving good vibes. So I have Shine and Jam, which I do use on my kids all the time because I braid their hair because they're all natural, and keeping that super long natural hair can be a challenge. So I bind it up at times in braids. Do I keep all this baby hair, y'all? Somebody tell me. I don't think I'm supposed to keep all this baby hair. Maybe I need to slide. Does that look a little more real? Okay. Let me get a brush. I use a toothbrush to do my edges. If you're from the 90s, holla at your girl. Toothbrush. Toothbrush to do your edges. That's pretty. And if you did it like this, I don't really know if it's necessary, and since I'm not super good at it, I would say I'm not gonna tack it down. You wanna see the top? This looks really natural and really good. Some other attributes about the wig, guys, is that it's a little heavy. This is that it was about $160, and maybe that's cheap. I don't know if it is or not, but I think it's very well constructed and it looks really natural with it.